So these pictures coming to you live from the Subroto Roy Stadium in Pune, and it's a very good evening to all.
Into him once again.
That's put away. Got hold of it nicely. Fractionally short. It sat up nicely. And the first boundary of the game. Not a good shot. He's got a good eye, fast hands. And straight away turn, slower delivery. And this one comes back in. Five dot balls.
It's a maiden.
And again looking to pull, doesn't quite get hold of it, but it's a quick outfielders. Just pull back inside. And settle for two. Down the track and put away in style.
Shot again, inside edge. And that'll go down to the boundary for four.
Ashwin into his second over. Again, good shot. The finger's gone up. It was like when in doubt, you play that sweep.
Trying to hit the ball over square leg, not trying to spin it, Ashwin. That was going on to hit the stumps. Shuffling across, trying to play through square leg. The sweep shot.
That's nicely played. Neat deflection. Down the track. Lovely clean strike. First six of the game.
Very good shot. Not getting to the pitch, but still going through with it. It's a good surface. And it goes a long way in this ground. This time a sweep. Four more.
There he goes. It's gone big and it's got the distance as well. Somebody will catch it in the crowd. No.
Well, another big six by Alex Hales, and what a start he's having here. 38 off 19 balls.
Another boundary. He was trying to find the block hole, Ashwin. Taken on the full, 12 runs. Sponge that on the offside. This is a good fielding unit, this. You'll see a lot of this. Yeah, I think that's the reason they had that slip there. It was more a run-saving position, that first slip. This could be for Jadeja. Will he get there? He may have. No. Ball ricochets off his outstretched arm. Direct hit would have done it. Virat Kohli was napping there for a while. Ashwin looking at him and wondering why he wasn't behind the stumps.
And he really switched on all the way through, and there was a bit of a misunderstanding. Kohli, get behind the stumps. That's your job.
Has he got enough bat on that one? 6. It had got the outside half of the bat there.
Well, Luke Wright's a powerful guy as well. 78 metres at 6.
Picks up a single. Goes on to 50. Alex Hales. Interesting shot. And that's 4 more. Goes full this time, and look at that, how quickly that ball went long off.
Now hasn't timed that well. Fielder will come underneath and should take it easily. Well, the next ball, he doesn't need the outside edge. He gets the big wicket. Yuvraj Singh has been the pick of India's bowlers so far. They're trying to make a little bit of room to play that shot. They're getting an inside edge. Right, that's been sliced too, but how far has it gone? Fielder coming underneath. Rahane takes it again. Man of the golden arm is striking for India. Oh, that's beautifully placed. I think that was the essence. So a boundary to break the shackles from Samit Patel.
This should be 6. Short delivery. You really lose one and it gets the treatment.
Leg spinner. That's not a very good delivery. You don't need to try at this stage when you have the game under control.
Not a full toss. Lucky to get away with it. That's well struck. And in the gap. 6 more.
That's a good hit. And this is the ground where the ball travels. Just get a feeling he might not have hit it well, but it's gone the distance into the stands. Not very big boundaries.
Again striking and taken it long off. And this is the 3rd player caught it long off. Just short fine leg.
Good delivery. Hit in the air. Will it carry to Milangan? Yes, it does. Good catch by Virat Kohli. Good delivery. Full and straight. Trying to clear the boundaries, Tim Bresnan. And a very good catch by Virat Kohli. Low. And you have your best fielders there at this stage of the game.
Cheeky, he's got that away. And it's gone all the way.
That's a terrific shot. Right of the middle of the bat. And it's gone 61 meters. He was ready.
That's well struck. Couldn't have got it better. Straight down the ground. Another 6.
He can't bowl length. It was a slower delivery, but it was length.
Down the ground. He'll get only a single. 70 runs off the last over. And England after 20 finish on 157 for 6. But from India's point of view, I think they'll be happy. They pulled things back and they need 158 to win.
First ball, Dunbar down the leg side, will be a wide. Chris Meeker again down the leg side. Well, too fine again. Nobody on the boundary. Ajinkya Rahane was very good. He left it well alone. But this one is on the pads. Right, he's gone through with that shot. Wow! Gee, it made a lot of height and it made a lot of distance, so everything right about it. That's the kind of delivery that batsmen are looking for. Pierces the gap. Very fine. Fine leg still inside the circle. Right, there he goes again. Gee, for a small man, he hits them a long way. Straight away, the length is shortened. Relax, relax, gentlemen, relax. Fine again. They've got to do something.
He's struggling with his line. Then you absolutely want to give him a little bit of protection down there, a deep fine leg and not a deep square leg.
Well, he's laid into that. He's found the fielder. And one more. Oh no, he's put it down. Not only will you not believe it, but the fielder will not believe it either.
Meeker's the fielder, banging it in short, just helping it along. Nice height. He grabs at it, makes a second grab.
What's happening here? What is happening here?
And it is Yuvraj on strike. That's edge. There's no second slip. He'll get 4. We'll see where it pitched.
Bowling by his shoemaker. He's got Yuvraj on the back foot. You look at how he's hanging back, and as you can see, it pitches well outside leg stump. Would have gone on to hit the stumps, but it doesn't matter.
Yuvraj puts that way back into the crowd, wasting no time in getting after the left arm spinner. That's the biggest 6. Have a look at this big stride forward. Big reach, Yuvraj Singh. Goes again, effortless. Flat as a tank, one bounce over the rope. 10 of the last 2 deliveries.
Well, it's good batting. Look at the power that he has. He's got a real high bat lift, and it's good batting because he's got on strike. He struck them last 2 balls pretty well.
6 more, full toss, put away.
Well, England, they need a wicket. They need to get this man out because he's in.
Hatch crashed back. Very good work by the man at long on, but he had just a few paces to move across to his right, the punch.
It's incredible. I mean, this ball has turned a little bit, but the power from a pretty good length from Treadwell.
So far. And cut away brilliantly. Top edge. And over the boundary. The fine leg was up in the circle. It goes again. High into the night sky. And taken on the boundary. Very, very nicely judged.
Great shot. He plays that shot so well, Virat Kohli. The lofted extra cover drive to bring up a boundary. Bowled him. Would have been some bottom edge. 4th wicket. Oh, he's gone. He was in no man's land, Dhoni.
Looking to get off the mark. There was a run in it, and he slips. His studs get stuck.
A lovely shot. Such a good shot that. It's a ground stroke from Suresh Raina.
That'll go all the way. Slow ball. He picked up on that very, very quickly indeed. He's a top T20 cricketer, Raina.
Deep square leg, but he's hit it very, very well. He's a good striker of the cricket ball.
Right, I've enjoyed watching him. This should be a run out. It is. Excellent work in the field there. And Dhoni punches that really hard. Wow, what a shot. This is good cricket. You thought you only saw it in test matches. Oh, what a shot. Clears the infield. That should be 2 quite easily. They're just jogging for the second. India win. And win with 13 balls left. This is as comprehensive a T20 win as any you will see.